Alright, see you guys. See you guys.
Oh, you can't.
Wow, itchy. Used to be cool.
What a fucking cunt. Just drives across the fucking lake without me. I'm gonna go stand on the pier, on the jetty.
Make him feel bad if you get killed.
See how good a fucking pilot he is. Oh, nah. Can't even fucking park.
Man, my level 2 backpack is so
Take
full.
out the jetty like Indiana Jones styles, bro.
I'll try.
Whilst you take it out, I'll jump into the boat. Oh fuck!
That was fucking hilarious.
I didn't expect you to jump up.
I didn't know I was going to be able to do that. That's
didn't know you
hilarious.
could get up
Yeah,
on the
I dropped you a message for a second.
Oh, thanks.
So, yeah,
No, but it's can't say you're not allowed to.
that was fucking hilarious.